Hi everybody, I got the Galaxy S10 Plus Prism Blue. So this is the 128 version. As you can see, 128 GB. So let's get to the unboxing. So we have the phone right here. The Prism Blue is a gorgeous color, I love it. We have the AKJ headphone set. We have a power adapter, and this is the cable to transfer data. So I'm gonna be transferring from my iPhone 7 to the Galaxy S10. So let's turn this phone on. Peel this off, and it comes with a screen protector with the phone. Oh, blue is not a good color for the fingerprint. So I'm gonna transfer the data from the iPhone to here. So I'm gonna plug this in, and now later that I'm gonna transfer the data. So I'll see you guys later in a few minutes or hours. So the headphone, the AKJ headphone, that's a good headphone, which is included, which Apple don't include. You know, I've been an Apple user for 3 to 5 years. You know, so I'm making a change. I like the design they made this year. You know, I love the color. You know. So right now we're just waiting for the transferring to happen. Then we'll just go to take a look at the phone. How was the transfer? But besides that, I have the book, and I have the SIM ejector with the book. The headphone jack. No, that's the charger. The USB charger. So, the charging cable. So the charging cable, oh, it's almost done, 56%. So the thing I like about Samsung is they're still keeping the headphone set. So that's why I love it, you know. So the transfer is complete. I'm gonna do the fingerprint right now. I'm having trouble a little bit locating the fingerprint. Try not to talk. So yeah, so the transfer is complete. I'm gonna do the fingerprint right now. I'm having trouble a little bit locating the fingerprint. Try not to talk. So yeah, right now it's complete. Everything is transferred from my other phone. So I'm gonna wait up for the review, the camera review and full review. Thanks. Have a good day.